The screen fades from black to the golden hour light piercing through coastal fog along the Pacific Coast Highway. Waves crash rhythmically against jagged rocks below, the camera gliding low and slow over glistening asphalt as a sleek, aerodynamic silhouette emerges from the mist. The 2026 BMW i4, electric, unapologetic, and utterly alive. Imagine this: the moment your foot touches the accelerator, silence gives way to a surge of pure, instantaneous torque that pins you back like gravity itself has shifted. No drama, no theatrics, just instant, seamless connection between intention and motion. This isn't just another electric car. This is the evolution of what BMW has always promised: driving pleasure, redefined for an electric era. Welcome to the future of premium performance, and if you're chasing that thrill without compromise, you're in exactly the right place. I'm your host here on Drive Morph 77, where we dive deep into the machines that move us, emotionally, viscerally, and without apology. If you're new here or you've been riding along for a while, hit that subscribe button right now. Join the drive. We're building a community of enthusiasts who demand more from their machines, and your support keeps these cinematic journeys coming. Let's not waste another second. Let's get behind the wheel of the 2026 BMW i4. From the moment you approach it, the i4 commands presence. Its Gran Coupe silhouette blends four-door practicality with coupe-like elegance, a long hood flowing into a sloping roofline that tapers dramatically toward the rear, creating a silhouette that's both athletic and sophisticated. The 2026 updates refine what was already striking: subtler kidney grille illumination, sharper LED headlights with adaptive matrix technology that carve through darkness like precision blades, and revised taillights that stretch wider for a broader, more planted stance. Choose from finishes like black sapphire metallic or mineral white, and the car seems to absorb and reflect light in equal measure, turning heads whether parked curbside in Manhattan or cruising Mulholland Drive at dusk. Step closer, and the details reveal BMW's obsessive craftsmanship. Aerodynamic wheels, up to 20 inches on higher trims, slice through the air with minimal resistance, while the low drag mirrors and flush door handles contribute to an impressively slippery CD figure. This isn't show, it's engineering that translates directly to real-world efficiency and range. Open the frameless door, yes, frameless for that true coupe feel, and slide into the cockpit. The interior welcomes you like a tailored suit: premium Vernasca leather or optional Sensitech synthetic upholstery in deep tones, accented by fine wood or aluminum trim that catches ambient light perfectly. The seats hug you with multi-contour support, heating and ventilation standard on most models, and the driving position is spot on: low, centered, with perfect reach to the thick M Sport steering wheel wrapped in leather and carbon fiber accents on M60 variants. Dominating the dash is BMW's signature curved display, a seamless 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster flowing into a 14.9-inch central touchscreen, both running the latest iDrive 8.5 OS. It's intuitive, responsive, gesture-controlled where it counts, and voice-activated with natural language processing that actually understands context. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless, and the augmented reality navigation overlays directions directly onto the live camera feed, perfect for navigating unfamiliar canyon roads or dense city traffic. But this is no tech gimmick fest, it's purposeful luxury. Ambient lighting in customizable themes washes the cabin in soft hues, Harman Kardon or optional Bowers and Wilkins audio fills the space with crystalline clarity, and the panoramic glass roof, standard on many trims, floods the interior with natural light while maintaining structural rigidity. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom for adults, with a flat floor thanks to the battery placement, and the trunk offers 470 liters expandable to over 1,290 liters with seats folded, practical enough for weekend escapes or airport runs. Now, the heart of the matter: performance that redefines what an electric Gran Coupe can be. The lineup starts with the i4 eDrive 40, rear-wheel drive, a single electric motor delivering 335 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 arrives in about 5.5 seconds, swift, but more importantly, the delivery is linear and addictive. Range: over 300 miles EPA estimated, often 307 to 333 depending on wheels and tires, thanks to new silicon carbide inverters that boost efficiency by reducing energy loss in power conversion. Step up to the i4 xDrive 40, all-wheel drive with dual motors producing 396 horsepower. It shaves time to 4.9 seconds to 60, grips harder through corners, and still delivers 268 to 287 miles of range, impressive for the added traction. Then there's the pinnacle, the 2026 BMW i4 M60, formerly M50, now elevated. Dual motors unleash 510 horsepower at launch, surging to 593 horsepower in sport mode with 586 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60. A blistering 3.6 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 140 miles per hour, but the real story is the mid-range punch. Overtaking on highways feels effortless, almost telepathic. BMW M-tuned adaptive suspension, M-Sport brakes with blue calipers, optional Shadowline accents, and variable sport steering make this car dance through twisties with the precision of a much lighter machine, despite its roughly 5,000-pound curb weight masked by perfect 50/50 weight distribution and a low center of gravity from the floor-mounted battery. On the open road, say, Highway 1 north of Big Sur, the i4 M60 feels alive. Regenerative braking is tunable via steering wheel paddles, from strong one-pedal driving to coasting like a traditional BMW. The ride is composed yet compliant, absorbing imperfections while communicating every nuance of the road surface. Wind and tire noise are remarkably subdued, creating a serene bubble at 80 miles per hour where you hear only the faint hum of the electric motors and your own thoughts. Efficiency shines through in real-world driving. The 81.5 kWh usable battery, 83.9 kWh gross, supports 205 kW DC fast charging, adding meaningful range in 10 to 15 minutes at peak, enough for quick coffee stop top-ups on long hauls. Home charging with the 11 kW onboard charger replenishes steadily overnight. New silicon carbide tech reduces heat and energy waste, stretching every electron farther without sacrificing performance. Comfort. Exceptional. The cabin isolates you from the outside world, yet the chassis never feels isolated from the road. Long drives from LA to Vegas or upstate New York feel rejuvenating rather than fatiguing. Storage is thoughtful. Deep door pockets, a spacious center console with wireless charging, and clever cubbies throughout. Design-wise, the 2026 i4 strikes a balance few EVs achieve: aggressive yet elegant, futuristic without alienating traditional BMW fans. The illuminated grille pulses subtly when approaching or charging, a signature touch that feels premium rather than gimmicky. Inside, build quality is impeccable: tight panel gaps, soft touch surfaces everywhere, and controls that operate with satisfying precision. In a segment crowded with rivals, the i4 stands apart as the driver's choice. It doesn't chase outright range supremacy, it prioritizes engagement, refinement, and that intangible BMW soul, ultimate driving machine, electrified. Whether carving mountain passes, commuting through urban sprawl, or simply enjoying a quiet evening cruise, it delivers emotion in every mile. As we wrap this journey along the coast, the sun dipping toward the horizon paints the i4 in warm amber tones. This car isn't just transportation, it's a statement, a thrill, a companion for the road ahead. If this resonated with you, if you're ready to experience electric driving that still feels like pure BMW, then make sure you're subscribed to Drive Morph 77. We bring you these in-depth, cinematic explorations so you can feel the drive before you ever turn the key. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and join us for the next one. Your passion fuels this channel. Until next time, keep the horizon in sight, drive with purpose, and stay morphed. This is Drive Morph 77, signing off. Safe roads ahead.